Central Texas County until 9:30 Central Time. At 8:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists have detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The most dangerous part of this storm was located near Eva, or about 16 miles south of Elkhart, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Some locations near the path of this storm include Eva. A tornado may form at any time. Take cover now. Abandon mobile homes and vehicles for more substantial shelter. Avoid windows. To report severe weather, please call the National Weather Service at 806-335-1121. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Oklahoma, Cimarron, and Texas. A tornado warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Texas and northeastern Cimarron counties. At 8:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists continued to detect a tornado. This tornado was located near Sturgis, or about 15 miles southwest of Elkhart, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Some locations affected by the tornado include extreme west central Texas County, extreme east central Cimarron County, and west central Texas County. To report severe weather, please call the National Weather Service at 806-335-1121. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Oklahoma, Cimarron, and Texas. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Hansford, northeastern Sherman, and south central Texas counties. At 8:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists continued to detect a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from 7 miles south of Goodwell to Cooper, or along the line extending from 15 miles southwest of Guyman to 8 miles west of Spearman, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Some locations affected by severe thunderstorms include Goodwell. To report severe weather, please call the National Weather Service at 806-335-1121. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Beaver County, Texas County, northwestern Hansford County, northeastern Sherman County, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists have detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size. These storms were located along the line extending from 7 miles north of Goodwell to 7 miles southeast of Guyman, or along the line extending from 8 miles west of Guyman to 7 miles southeast of Guyman, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Adams, Hardesty, Optima, Guyman, Booker, Goodwell, Huff, Texoma. To report severe weather, please call the National Weather Service at 806-335-1121. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Oklahoma, Beaver, and Texas, and the following counties in Texas, Hansford and Sherman.